Hey everyone, I want to walk you through a GRC engineering project I built around AWS Access Reviews. This isn't a scanner and it's not an IAM governance tool. This is about proving that an access review actually happened, when it happened, and where the evidence lives. In a lot of companies, access reviews are technically required, but the evidence is weak. It's usually screenshots, spreadsheets, or something, or someone saying, "Yeah, we do this monthly." That works until the auditor asks, "When did it run? What accounts were reviewed? Where's the last month's evidence?" And that's the gap that this project is designed to close. So what this control does in is simple and it's also intentional. Once a month on a fixed schedule, it will collect AWS IAM users and roles using read-only access, generates a CSV evidence file, stores that CSV evidence file in a S3 bucket, logs the entire execution in CloudWatch, and then emails the actual evidence file to a designated recipient. Nothing is remediated, nothing is auto-approved. This is about evidence generation, not enforcement. Architecturally, this is all AWS native. EventBridge triggers the control on a monthly schedule. Lambda then runs the access collection and report generation. CloudWatch captures the execution audit trail. S3 is a system of record for evidence retention. And then SES email delivers the evidence to someone who doesn't need AWS access. This is exactly how controls are implemented in modern SaaS environments. So I'm going to walk you through it now, so you guys can see it. So here you can see the schedule EventBridge rule proving that the control is automated every 30 days, as I mentioned. And then the CloudWatch logs proving the function executed. And also the log entry is showing how many identities were reviewed as well, 14 identities. And then the CSV metadata gets stored in S3 buckets, and that's once a month by month, but again, that can be changed to any time frame. And then that same CSV gets delivered by mail. So it will be an email sent to the recipient. So that gives you execution proof, timing proof, content proof, and then also retention proof. I added email delivery intentionally because auditors, they won't log into AWS accounts. So by attaching the exact CSV that's stored in S3 buckets, the control proves that evidence exists, evidence is immutable, and evidence can independently be reviewed. So S3 stays the system of record. Email is just a delivery mechanism. So this tool is not an IAM governance platform. It doesn't approve access. It doesn't remove permissions. And then human review still happens outside of the system. This tool exists to make the control defensible, not automatic. So yeah, so this project is it's really about just GRC engineering, designing controls that actually run, generate evidence, retain it properly, and hold up under an audit. That's the difference between saying you're compliant and being able to actually prove it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Thanks for watching.